Hey YouTubers, it's Big Papa. Welcome back to my channel. And it's not another bullet point. There will be another bullet point. Many bullet points. I think those are go on forever. I like the little short videos that I can make sure I try and post something every day. But this video is about a new toy I bought. My wife and I went out to Tulsa, and I was really sad that I didn't videotape all that because it was a fun time. And I should have. I'm going to try and get our next uh, trips on camera for sure. But didn't make it. Sorry about that. But did buy myself a new toy, and it is a new drone. In fact, it's the Parrot Bebop 2 FPV. And so if you don't know anything about the Parrot, it is, I would call it a mid-sized drone. It's not the little tiny drones, not the big drones, but it is a very popular drone, and named one of the best GPS, beginner GPS drones. So I've flown it a few times, and I'm going to show you some videos of a couple things that I've flown it, a couple times I've flown it. I haven't tried everything, but it comes with the drone itself, obviously. There's the drone. Hopefully you can see it. Oops, there you go. The drone itself, it's got, the camera is actually on the drone itself. You know, some of the bigger drones have the drop-down camera. I almost decided to buy one of those for a little bit more money, but decided to take baby steps. You know, I have the Tello, which is a small drone, which you can fly it outside, but it's mostly for indoors. That works well. This is the Parrot, which is more of a medium-sized drone. And I'll move up to a bigger drone the next time. But, so it comes with this thing here called Sky Controller. Up top here I can put in, attach my phone or my tablet and fly it via that. Or you can fly it with just the software via Wi-Fi from your phone or your tablet. But this Sky Controller allows you to much further distance. If you notice on the front, it's got this big flat transmitting antenna and receiving. And then it also comes with the goggles that you can fly it via goggles as well. You're still using the controller at that point, but instead of viewing everything on your tablet, you're actually seeing it through the goggles. So, it's my new toy. So here's a little shot of, first time I got to fly it was at night. So here's a little shot of the Christmas lights outside again from the new drone. is the Christmas lights. Not a whole lot different than the Tello, but definitely higher and farther away than I think I got on the Tello. And so now here's a shot of, you can program flight plans on this, so I did a couple flight plans, and here is one I just flew around the outside of the house, and at the end I made the house a interest point, so it maintained looking at the house on part of the end of the path. There you'll see, you'll be able to. Okay, and then the next video here is it taking a quick figure eight at, I think it was 150 meters up, or it got to 150 meters up. It didn't start out at 150, but it did the last majority of it at 150 meters up, which is pretty high, um, around our small neighborhood doing a figure eight. And then lastly here, I did a little flyover of a field south of us towards one of the closer roads, and did the camera down and everything to show you how the camera can point directly down on it. And so yeah, and this one just flying across the field basically. Yep, so those are some of my beginner flights. I'll show you some other flights in the future when I take it somewhere cool or fly it around here. I might take a nighttime flight around the neighborhood here to show you some of their Christmas lights at some point before Christmas here. But yeah, it's got all the you can, like I said, you can do flight plans on it. You can fly it manually. You can fly it with the sky controller. I think up to like a mile and a half away, you can fly it, which is awesome. And it's got automatic. If you lose connection with it, it's got automatic return on it, which is a must-have. You don't want to lose your, you know, hundreds of hundreds of dollar drone um, due to a lost connection. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'll be posting more videos on this and flying it around in the future, and of course probably get a bigger one at some point. But so that's all for now. Put any comments you might have. You know, if you got fly drones, you know, tell me about your drone and things that you've done with it, and maybe, you know, link me back to your channel to look at some of your stuff if you have drone videos. And make sure you subscribe to my videos and ring the little notification bell. And I will see you on the next bullet point probably. Bye.